Peru is home to Machu Picchu, the ancient Incan citadel that was rediscovered in 1911 by American historian Hiram Bingham. The official language of Peru is Spanish, but there are over 47 indigenous languages spoken throughout the country. The Amazon rainforest covers more than 60% of Peru's territory, making it one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. Peru's capital, Lima, was founded in 1535 and is known for its colonial architecture and rich history. The country is famous for its culinary scene, with dishes like ceviche, lomo saltado, and ají de gallina being popular choices. The Andes Mountains run through Peru, making it the home of the highest capital city in the world, La Paz, even though La Paz is in Bolivia. Peruvians celebrate Inti Raymi, the festival of the sun, every June 24th, honoring the Inca sun god Inti. The Nazca lines, massive geoglyphs etched into the ground, can be found in the Nazca Desert and are best viewed from the air. Peru has a rich tapestry of cultures, blending indigenous, Spanish, and African influences. The country is the origin of the potato, with over 4,000 different varieties cultivated there. The Peruvian flag features two vertical red stripes on the edges and a white stripe in the middle, symbolizing blood and peace. Lake Titicaca, located in Peru and Bolivia, is the highest navigable lake in the world and is home to unique floating islands made of tadora reeds. Peru is home to the world's largest flying bird, the Andean condor, which has a wingspan of up to 3.3 meters, 10.8 feet. The Amazon River, which flows through Peru, is the second longest river in the world, after the Nile. Peru produces some of the finest coffee in the world, particularly in the northern regions like Cajamarca and San Ignacio. The Peruvian highlands are known for their colorful traditional clothing, made from hand-woven textiles. In 2007, Peru was one of the first countries to establish a national park specifically to protect rainforest biodiversity. The Sacred Valley of the Incas, located near Cusco, is renowned for its archaeological sites and stunning landscapes. The country has a diverse climate, with coastal, highland, and rainforest regions all experiencing different weather patterns. Peru has over 1,500 species of birds, making it a paradise for birdwatchers and ornithologists. The Chimu culture, known for their impressive adobe buildings, flourished in northern Peru before the rise of the Incas. A famous Peruvian tradition is the pacamanca, a way of cooking food underground using hot stones. The city of Cusco was the capital of the Inca Empire and is considered the historical capital of Peru. The Peruvian government has recognized around 88 different indigenous communities across the country. The world's oldest known working irrigation system is found in Peru, dating back to 2500 BC. The Coricancha, or Temple of the Sun, in Cusco was one of the most revered temples in the Inca Empire, built to honor the sun god. Peru is one of the top producers of gold, copper, and silver in the world. The Inca Trail is one of the most famous trekking routes in the world, leading adventurous hikers to Machu Picchu. The city of Arequipa is known for its stunning white buildings made with sillar, a volcanic stone. The Peruvian coast is known for its rich marine life, making it a hotspot for seafood lovers. The Andes region is famous for the traditional practice of chakra, or the Andean form of agriculture. Peruvian paso horses are known for their smooth gait and are highly regarded in equestrian competitions. The country has a unique festival called Semana Santa, celebrated during Holy Week with parades and religious traditions. Traditional Andean music features instruments like the charango, pan flute, and bombo. The country's national drink is pisco, a type of brandy that is often used in cocktails like the famous pisco sour. Peru has a significant archaeological heritage, with sites like Sacsayhuaman and Ollantaytambo attracting visitors from all over the world. The Peruvian jungle is known for its diverse wildlife, including jaguars, sloths, and pink dolphins. The country has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its outstanding cultural and natural riches. The Amazon River Basin hosts the largest collection of freshwater fish in the world. The capital city, Lima, is often called the gastronomic capital of the Americas due to its top-notch restaurants. The indigenous Quechua people remain a vital part of Peruvian culture, preserving their language, traditions, and customs. Peru is famous for its textiles, which utilize ancient techniques and vibrant patterns unique to different regions. The Mother Earth Festival, known as Pachamama Rainy, is celebrated by many indigenous groups in August. Peru has a rich history of civilizations, including the Moche, Nazca, Wari, and Inca cultures. The picturesque Rainbow Mountain, Vinicumca, has gained popularity for its vibrant mineral deposits causing colorful stripes. The dry coastal desert of Ica is known for its vineyards and is one of the primary wine-growing regions in Peru. The capital, Lima, houses one of the largest concentrations of historical architecture in Latin America. Potatoes play a vital role in Peruvian culture, with local festivals celebrating different varieties. The Peruvian coastline features the Paracas National Reserve, known for its stunning landscapes and marine life. In the Andes, many communities celebrate traditional festivals to mark the solstices and equinoxes throughout the year. Peru has several national parks, including Manan National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most biodiverse spots on Earth. The alpaca, native to Peru, is valued for its soft wool, which is used in making warm clothing. Peru's culture blends elements from ancient civilizations with Spanish colonization influences, creating a unique cultural tapestry. The Incas believed that mountains were sacred and called them apis, often conducting rituals to honor them. The use of coca leaves has a long history in Peru and plays a role in traditional medicine and rituals. The Peruvian diet heavily features corn, which is used in many traditional dishes and beverages. The Ballestas Islands are known as the poor man's Galapagos due to their rich wildlife, including sea lions and penguins. Lima is also known for its vibrant street art scene, showcasing local artists' works throughout the city. Traditional festivals often include colorful parades, music, and dances showcasing Peru's cultural diversity.